Introduce highlight features and quick overview of HTECHY grilling accessories. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Compared with other ordinary barbecue tools, our flat-top grilling accessories kit are made of thicker stainless steel, so you can enjoy your barbecue grill, no worry about bending, breaking, or rusting. And the plastic handle with hanging hole, easy to store, high heat resistant and not easy to slip. Professional Griddle accessories set has all the grill tools you need, including 2 oversized spatula, 1 regular sized spatula, 1 hamburger turner, 1 grill scraper, 1 scraper chopper, 1 basting cover, 1 grill tongs, 2 egg rings, 2 sauce bottles, 1 basting brush, 1 cleaner brush and 1 carry bag. Long grill spatula can move large amounts of food quickly and accurately. Scraper and chopper to dice food and scrape griddles clean. Egg rings can shape your eggs in round or love shape that is more delicate. Basting cover helps to reduce cooking time and splatter. Turner is great for pancake flipper, fish, burgers, omelette and more. With beautifully designed gift box and carry bag, which is a great grilling gifts for men and women on birthday, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving or Christmas Day and all other festivals. Backyard barbecue grill Griddle. Outdoor camping barbecue grill with our 15 PCS barbecue accessories kit and you will not need any other tools for cooking. Dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. With handy carry bag to help you take all the tools for every cooking occasion. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.